Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of GlowGetter Nail Company. So I want to show you guys every step in the process. So I want to start by showing you how the custom sizing kit works. So that's what I have here. You would get this before you get your nail set, and it's optional. You don't have to do the custom sizing, but if you have smaller fingers like myself, it is worth it in my opinion. So she sends it out to you. It's about $5, $5.99 I think, plus shipping, and it comes with all these little nails within like a baggie. And what you do is you take each different nail size and you find which size corresponds to each finger. So she has a certain way she wants you to write it out, and she includes that on the instructions. So what I did was I just wrote it out. I put left hand, right hand, and then I wrote thumb, index, middle, ring finger, pinky, and wrote down the corresponding number, and then I just messaged it to her. So you don't have to mail anything back. And it came fairly quickly within like 3 days. So it wasn't a huge delay. If you wanted your nails brushed, I could see how that could possibly be a delay. But once she gets your sizing, depending on the shape of the nails, it's, she has it forever. So it's not like you have to do it every single time unless you change the shape of your nails. So I was really impressed with the custom sizing kit because of how quickly it got here, and it really dawned on me that I wouldn't have to shape the nails myself or file them down, because typically when I get press-on nails, I have to file them down because my fingers are so little. I have like tiny little nails. So for me, that was great. I was really impressed with how it was sent. Super easy to do. And it's so nice how everything has like a little handmade note. Okay, so next we're going to be getting into the actual nails that I got. So this was like a week or so later that I got these nails. I believe her turnaround time is, 2 weeks, but I got them a little sooner than that, so that was great. I got the black glitter and a custom set with Japanese cherry blossoms. So today I'm going to put on the Japanese cherry blossom nails, and I have the black nails as like, just an alternate set because, we got to change it up. And I'm just showing you guys what comes in the actual package when you get the nails. So every time you get a nail set, you're going to get a package that's going to include the glue, the acetone wipe, the buffer, and the cuticle stick. So for the 20 nail kit, that is the one that I did not get custom. So that just comes with 20 nails of varying sizes. So it comes with like a few thumbnails, a few like ring, middle, or index. They could kind of be used either way. And then of course some pinky fingernails. I just wanted to try it out both ways to see how it is. And depending on the shape of the nail, the sizing is different. Right now, I'm pushing my cuticles back with the stick that was included, and you're given some instructions with your nails. That's what that card on the table is for. So the first step is to push your cuticles back with the stick, and then she wants you to use that orange buffer. There is like a smoother side and then a rougher side, and then you buff your nails with the smooth side, then you do the rough side. So I'm just following along with the instructions as I was told to do so. I didn't want to go off the radar and do anything different. I want to do it exactly how it's instructed to. She did actually recommend a nail primer. It's not included in the kit, but she did recommend if you wanted the nails to last longer, you could use a primer. I did not get the primer because I don't wear my nails that long, but I may consider it when I go on vacation or something like that, just to see how it works out for me. So I'm going through and I'm using the acetone wipe. I'm just gonna wipe the nails down and make sure that I get any debris off. So I just want to give a few more details about my purchase for these nails. The nails are actually all hand painted. They are no chip nails, so she actually puts them within that like UV light to cure them or whatever that does in the nail shop. So I do like that because I remember I was reading something on Facebook and they were saying that it was gonna like give people cancer. So now only my nails have to go in there, not my actual hand. So I mean, if you're concerned about that, that is good. I'm just showing some additional things that are within the packaging. She included 2 different types of nails. There was like a kid's nail glue and then like a regular one. She recommended I use the regular Kiss nail glue, and there was also an extra like buffer in there. It didn't say anything in the instructions about that, so I did not use it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Max Strength glue that was included because she said that's the best one. I imagine it'll probably last me probably about a week, week and a half, because I wash dishes every day. I type every day at work. So it may not last me as long as like somebody who doesn't type at work, because that's the main thing that will get my nails tore up and they'll be falling off. But I've used this nail glue before. I'm happy with it. I love the nail glue previously. It's just that when I use regular press-on nails, they're not thick enough. So I think with this, because these are actual nails that have like the gel curing and everything on it, I believe they're gonna last a lot longer because of that extra protection. The nails aren't too thick, but they're definitely thicker than a regular press-on nail that you buy at like your Walgreens or your beauty supply. So I'm just applying the glue on there, not too much. I'm just covering like the main portion of my nail, and then I'm pressing it down on there, trying to kind of push it under the cuticle a little bit and holding it down between 10 to 15 seconds. So far, what I can say about how the nails feel is they are very comfortable. They feel very secure. It actually feels just like how it feels when you get a fresh set, like what do they call it? A full set at the nail salon. It actually feels just like that. It feels very secure. It doesn't feel flimsy. I'm actually doing a voiceover for this, so I'm speaking as I already have all the nails on. So they're very comfortable. What I would say is that if you're somebody who does not like that feeling of a full set, like that fresh full set feeling, I've heard people complain and say that it hurts to them. The benefit to this is that you're actually in control of how tightly you glue these nails down and how tightly you press them down. You can apply more pressure if you want to have them more secured, or you can apply less if it hurts your fingers. So that's something I actually thought about when I was applying these, is you don't have to press them down so hard. I actually put mine on there pretty securely. So mine felt like super like tight, but you have the option to put less glue or not to put so much pressure on there. Let's talk about pricing. So I got 2 different sets. As you guys know, I got the custom set, which is hand painted with the cherry blossoms, and I'm going to show you guys up close all the detail put into that. There are jewels on these nails. There are tiny little flowers. This is a no chip set. So for the custom set, I paid $40, and that is including like the 10 nails and the shipping and everything. So that was a great price, because I mean, I've gone to the nail shop and paid $50 or $60 before when I got like a full set with designs and everything. So I was very happy with that price. And then for the black set, which has 20 nails, I also paid $40 for that. But I also want to remind you that I got 20 nails. If I had done the custom sizing kit and paid the $6, I could have paid about $20 for that set, plus whatever the custom sizing kit and shipping for that. I could have paid less for that, but I wanted to try it out both ways to see how it is. So I can definitely do a follow-up video and show you guys how the black set worked out for me doing the non-custom sizing. But I paid $40 for that set. I definitely recommend, if you want something custom or if you have any questions, definitely inbox her and ask her. She is very reasonable in her pricing, and she goes into great detail to make sure she gives you exactly what you want. And I'm just showing here the nails, the detail she puts. She actually, if you look at that black nail I just showed, she drills into the nails so that they actually have like a better hold. And here is the final product. It's going across the screen, the final product. This is how the nails turned out after they were applied. I am very happy with them. I think they are beautiful. And I actually have a little short video here just showing how they look on camera. They look like I went to the shop. You can't tell that I glued them on myself. And it only took me about maybe 6 minutes to put these nails on. So it saved me a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time to go to the nail shop. So for the price, considering what they charge at the nail shop, the quality, I am very happy with these nails and I would definitely recommend them. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.